Hello and welcome to the Hollywood Film Academy. My name is Miguel Perez. I've been a professional actor for almost 40 years. You've seen me in the cinema, in Blow, $1 Million Baby, Up Close and Personal, Clear and Present Danger, Ocean's 11. On TV, you've seen me in Perception, The Resident, Shooter, Fear the Walking Dead, Star Trek Voyager. Not only am I an actor, I'm also a teacher and a proud member of the faculty of Hollywood Film Academy. In the upcoming term, I'm going to be teaching a series of scene study classes that are designed to empower you and make you an actor who's more than just another player showing up on the set. I'm going to share with you my years, decades of experience, and my joy for the profession. I hope to see you in class. I have a lot to tell you.